Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog, not gonna really be about too much, but I'm going to get my hair done by my mama. Matter of fact, I forgot them hair packs in the house. See, I'm glad I started this camera. So she gonna be doing these individual like faux locks. I'll show y'all the packs when I get to her house, but yeah, on top of my locks, just because, you know, I want a little bit more length than what I got right now. We got Josie in the back. Hey, JoJo. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah. Hi. And we got Zarzar. Hey, girl. What up?
What up?
So, yeah, we about to get ready to go to my mama's house.
Hi.
Yeah, they say hi. We about to get ready to go to my mama's house, and when I get there, I'm I don't even know what I was about to say. Yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all what's going on before we get started. Bye. Hey guys, so I made it to my mom's house and we are getting started on the crochet, and this is the hair that I got that I wanted to show y'all. Mermaid Locs, and the color, I got it in the number 27. So this was the closest one to my hair color. So we are getting started, and this is the beginning process. Okay, vocals. I got you on my YouTube, Manuel. I got you singing on my YouTube. Yep.
Yeah.
I got them vocals. Because I'm recording.
Oh.
And I got them vocals, though. Yeah, I think this still won't look natural.
It is. Yep.
There go my mom, y'all.
Hey.
She got her braids in. She ain't want me to show her. I gotta show mine, so she gotta show hers too. And this length is what length is this? I don't even think it say what length it is. Oh, this is a 20 inch. So that's a pretty decent length if I wanna like style it. If I wanna like style it and stuff. So I'm gonna come back a little later when we got a little more locks in and show you how it looks halfway. Bye. Hey guys, so here is an update. We are almost done.
Oh, he's so cute.
This do look real natural because it like really blend in with my
It looks good.
hair color. And then once we done, I'm gonna put, you know, I'm gonna fix my edges up because they looking a little rough. Don't judge me before you watch the ending.
I love you too, baby.
We'll be back. Hey guys, so I am back and this is the finished look. It's alright. I'm back and this is the finished look and it's so cute or whatever. I really like this color on me.
It looks good. It matches your
Yes,
complexion.
I really like this. I think I'm gonna keep this color for the rest of my life. For real. It's cute.
It definitely matches
Really
your
cute.
complexion.
Really cute.
Is this lotion for my skin? Mama,
Yes.
okay. Mama, get some. It's healthy.
It's healthy.
I haven't had crochets in a long
Here,
time.
you put a little bit on me. Thank
I haven't had crochet in
Oh, that feels so
probably
soft.
like
No.
6-7 years.
No.
Not that long. Alright, I'm gonna go. They screaming. Be back later. Bye. Alright. Hey guys, so I'm back and now I'm about to do some crochets on my mama head. And we are going to alright, sorry. Stop being the same amount of attention. And we are going to do motto glance braid. It's alright, Terrence. Sorry, it's right there. And we are going to use the river braid braid curl.
Hi, Nana.
Hi, Josie.
Hi,
Hi, Josie. So this is what we're using.
No, Mima.
You got crochet?
in the way. It's okay.
Get out of there, girl.
So I'm gonna record a little bit more. Don't worry about her edges, cause I'm gonna get that together. So right now I am working on the top part, and I am put it a little closer. And this is how far apart I am putting them, not too far and not too close. Just perfect, so it won't look bulky and it won't look too thin. I ain't gonna make you have the whole thing. I just want to do a little bit more to make my video a little bit more lengthy. And with this kind, it's like real tight at the top, so you just want to pull it like this a little bit just so you can get it through. Some people like to go like this with the crochet needle and then pull it through, but I don't got time for all that, and I ain't got the patience for that. So I'm gonna just do it like this. I'm gonna do it my way. Pull it up, pull it through. That's how I'm doing it.
Man, that's 2 pieces of hair.
Okay. It's another pack?
Mm-hmm.
So far we use, how many packs we use so far?
2.
So far we only use 2 packs, which is great. So for this type of hairstyle, honestly, 3 or 4 packs. I would say, I was gonna say 3, but I would say 4 just to be on the safe side, just cause it depends on if your hair is super thick or super thin. If your hair is like fine, thin, then 3 packs should be good enough for you. But if you got thick, full hair, then I would just say 4 packs, which is still not bad. Only 4 packs, you're saving a lot of money. So I'm gonna come back when I'm a little bit closer to the top. So I'm back and I am at the top now. Pause it. So now we are at the top now, and we are almost done completing this look. That was 4 packs, right?
Yes.
Okay. Hold on, y'all. So I'm gonna come back after I get this other pack. Alright, so now we're gonna finish up this middle part. Pause it. Finishing up the top. I think it's because I did more braids too. Because originally, remember, he was supposed to wear a wig. I'm about to grab a piece of hair from Manuel. He used to stand there like that. Almost done, guys. Almost done. Let me shut up for Josie. I'm running back here.
Right.
Dang, come on me. Come up, right?
Right. Last one.
Oh, so yeah, if you got thick hair, I'm gonna recommend 5 packs. But I think it's the amount of braids I did too, because I did do a lot of braids. So I recommend 5 packs if you got like a lot of hair. And I'll come back for the finished look. So this is the finished look, guys. How slow. So this is it. These are goddess braids. You can wear these anyway. This is the side. Very cool, very cute, you know. Boom.